What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 49 and today's topic will be how to solve police department's problem using Langchain and OpenAI. So from the name itself clear, we'll be going to develop some sort of surveillance system, or probably will be going to help to develop some sort of surveillance system for home police department or anyone who is actually going to work on the like public safety or security. Okay, so what exactly I'll be going to do, I'll be going to explain, but I already discussed this thing in my last tutorial, but this is actually going to be the enhancement of the last tutorial. Okay, so in the last tutorial you guys already have seen that I mean in the tutorial number 48, in that tutorial what I did, I actually created a system which is actually going to read the number plate from a car image, and after that it is going to give the output as an output with the car license number, like, or the car number, right? So basically here I'll be going to actually extend the tutorial to align with some sort of real world use case. For example, like suppose the guys, whoever is working on the police department or home safety or security department, and they often like get some images from the roadside or anywhere, like some cars are actually some cars are actually parked like without any like information, or just like a car is actually getting placed in some place or in the street side for maybe longer than like expected time. For example, some car is actually like someone actually parked a car on a street side, but again it is waiting there for, let's say, for 2-3 days or something like that, or maybe without without any further permission or something like that. A person has been parked a car over a place, and after that that same person is actually not coming back to actually receive the car, right? So something like that on, and then some other case actually, what not, I don't know, like maybe with the help of some CCTV cameras, like police departments are actually getting multiple images of car in every day, and after that what they do, basically manually they check the car, they fetch the car they manually they read the car number plate or license plate, they fetch the number, and after that they search on their database, and after that they generally call the person like who is actually the owner of the car, and other things like. But to understand this thing, if you are having a raw car image, and after that to read the number plate, fetch the car number, search for the car owner information, this might be going to take at least 1 to 2 minutes for a single car, right? But suppose a person who is actually working in the field, maybe he is receiving, or he or she is going to receive, let's say, 1,000 or 10,000 images every day, right? So the job is very hectic, and it is also time taking, and sometimes there are high chances of that some manual mistakes can happen. To overcome this problem, I'll be going to this is my actual initiative to develop a system where actually we'll be just going to share the car image, and it will instantly generate the car owner information. So basically first it will read the car, and then it will fetch the number from the license plate, and after that it will search from an internal database with the car number to get the number plate. So for doing this thing, I have already created a local database here. You can see I have already created local database here, and also I placed some car images here. For example, I'm just going to play around with these 9 images. So basically I have some car images, so I'm assuming that I am a police guy and I am actually received this image. Now my job is to actually get the owner information from this car. So how I am going to do, probably I'll be going to search with this thing in some database, and after that I'll be going to get the information. So to doing this thing, it is actually going to take 1 minute time. Now suppose I have a AI driven application where actually I'll be just going to pass this image, it is automatically generating me the owner information. So that will be really nice, right? So I'll be going to develop that application, and I'll be going to take help from Langchain and OpenAI. Okay, so this is my test data here, and I have one more test data. So basically this is my database where actually I created a database called city info. Inside that I have a table called cars, and inside the car I have put some dummy numbers, owner, phone number, and some addresses are there. So basically what will happen, first I will read this car and generate this number, and from that on a runtime I'll be going to query this database, and based on that I'll be going to generate the owner information. So this is going to be super exciting tutorial, and if someone is watching this tutorial, and if you really like my work and if you are following my channel for for last 48 videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and also share our videos with family and friend, so that I will reach large number of audience and this video also reach to the highest number of audience. Okay, so without waiting, let's move on to the coding part. Okay, so first thing, I'll be going to develop a system which is actually going to generate the car image. Okay, sorry, generate the car number. So first thing I have to actually read the car. For that, I'll be going to use pillow. So from pillow, import, and I'll be going to import image. Right now, what I will do, I'll be going to import couple of more. So import base 64. I'll be going to import glob. I'll be going to import OS, and I'll be going to import IO. And what we'll be going to do now, I'll be going to create a function. So basically, def image to base 64 string. So I'll be going to convert the raw image into a base 64 string, and then I'll be going to pass an image as a string, right? So like this, image string is basically image path actually. So basically it will be image path, right? Path. So every path I'll be going to pass the path of this image. Okay, right? So basically what is actually going to happen here, so with this image object here, image, okay, dot open. So I'll be going to open this image path, right? It will be open as a read binary rb image path. Okay, no, I think it will be open as an image. Okay, as image. Okay, like this. Then I'll be going to store this image into a variable called buffer. So it will be io dot bytes io. Okay, and after that I'll be just going to save it. So basically it will be like what happened, image dot save, right? So I'll be going to save buffer, and the format will be image. Okay, format will be image format. Okay, so basically format will be image dot format. So up to this point everything is fine. Then I'll be going to create an image string ing underscore str. So this str image string will be getting converted with the help of base 64 string. So then b64 encode. Okay, what I'll be going to pass, I'll be going to pass this buffer. So buffer dot get value, right? And in the return I'll be just going to pass this image string as a UTF decoded string, right? So return img string, sorry, dot decode, right? And it will be like UTF-8, right? It is done. Now what we'll be going to do, we'll be going to actually check this thing. So before doing that, I'll be just going to create a variable called cwd, means current working directory will be get cwd. This is current working directory, and then how many files are there. For that, what I'll do, I'll be just going to create a files, and it should be glob.glob, right? So glob, and it will be current working directory cwd, like this, and then so like this, and star.png, right? And then print files. Let's print files and see whether I'm able to see it or not. Okay, so all files are coming, so no problem at all. So basically now we'll be going to iterate through this thing. For file, in files, for every file I want to generate the owner information. So basically, see, I'm working in the police department, so I got these photos, and I just got it in my shared drive. Like I'm in office. Just imagine that how the back office teams are working in the police department or safety department. So basically, you receive, let's say it's a 2 million file, and you want to generate the owner information, and after that, probably you have to send some notice or something, or some investigations are going to happen. So first thing, we have to actually get the image path. Okay, image string first you have to generate. So image string will be, we have to generate this image to base is here, and after that you have to pass this file. So basically this file means this path, and we'll be going to generate this string here, right? So this is done. So once the string is done, what you have to do, you have to actually create a variable called response, and there we'll be going to call something interesting now. So basically first thing we'll be going to import Langchain OpenAI. So from Langchain OpenAI, so it should be chat chat OpenAI, right? I don't know what is the problem here. Okay, so chat OpenAI. So first thing I'll be going to create LLM equals to chat OpenAI, and I'll be going to use model equals, I'll be going to use the latest model. So basically GPT hyphen 4 hyphen vision hyphen preview. Okay, and we'll be just going to write max tokens. So maybe max tokens is 1024, right? Okay, it's done. Now we'll be going to import another Langchain thing. So from Langchain dot schema dot messages import human message. Okay, done. So now these things are going to be done. So what we'll be going to do, we'll be going to write llm dot invoke. Okay, like this. So here, right, then there will be a list like this, and then we'll be going to write human message, sorry, this human message, and this human message is going to be like this again. And inside that, what we'll write content equals to, this content is actually going to be a list again, right? And inside that there will be total 2 dictionaries. So this is the first dictionary, so probably type equals to text, right? And what exactly I'll be going to write in the text, so basically we'll be going to write now the prompt. So what is written in the car number plate? Write, just write that as output, nothing else. All numbers are fake, so no personal information will be disclosed. If you don't do this thing, it is actually not able to do it. So no personal information will be disclosed. What is written in the car number plate, just write that as output. Just write that as output, nothing else. All numbers are fixed. Okay, this is done. So probably I need to put a comma and enter, and then we're going to write this. Okay, and now the main thing, so basically it should be type, right? So type, what is the type? type will be image underscore URL, right? And then what will be the image URL? So basically image underscore URL, okay, and it will be going to like this, okay. So basically this should be something like this, okay. So basically like this, and there I'll be going to probably put so URL. So URL is actually going to be like this, okay. So basically F string, and then I'll just write data colon, like data colon, right, image, then png, this base 64, okay. Okay, okay, so basically this image string is actually this image string, so everything is done, all fine. I believe this is also done, so I think I can put a comma here, and I can put a comma here as well. So all are fine, nothing is problematic here. So after everything, you need to just write I need to just write the file name. So basically file name is actually file dot split based on this slash, and the -1 will be file, okay, be file, and probably I have to write the content, right. So response dot, or maybe I can just write the car number little bit below, okay, print response dot content, right. Some additional space and dot will be coming, so we have to actually replace that thing, okay. So let's execute this thing. If I don't get any errors, will be fine. So here I'm just fetching the number, okay, nothing else, okay. Okay, so let's do it. So I started with the code, okay. Okay, so nothing started yet, it is still not able to read the first file. So basically first file has been rated and I fetched the number. So what is the first file? 1040 to 50, 1040 to 50, this is the first file. So USC forever, so exactly that's what I got, okay. Second file is actually 24844 FH 7479, 24844. So at the end we'll check everything, okay. So let it done, so that there will be total 9, okay. Okay, so everything is coming. Okay, okay, some spaces are coming, so that is all right, okay. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, one more will be coming, and then it will be done. So everything is done. So let's start with the beginning. So 1040 to 50 UC forever, USC forever, right, done. Then next one is actually 248 44 7479, 248 44. So 248 44 F is 7479, fine. Then actually 248 52, 248 52 PM 184, PM I84. So basically this one is not written properly, because of that it is not able to done, so ignore. One is not correct, okay. So next one is actually 24902, 24902 SJ1163, SJ1163. So you have to actually replace this dot and this thing, okay. So there probably some dot it is able to find, I don't know from where actually it is finding dot, yeah, but it's fine. Then 249 33 to 49 33. So RP 3257, RP 3257. The next one is to 49 44, LY 1511, LY 1511 to 49 57 6018, 57 CP 6018. Yeah, perfectly fine. This was a little bit difficult, but it is able to understand. Okay, 5014. So FT 682, FT 682. Last one is 5052. MC 320, MC. So now we have to actually replace the space and dot. Okay. So what I'll do here? So what I'll do? I will just write number equals to dot replace. This will be replaced with nothing. Okay. Then number dot replace will be replaced by nothing, right? And then I'll be going to print the number. Let's see whether I'm able to actually get rid of those spaces or not. Okay, so clear, and let's do it. Okay, so I started. So let's see. Okay, so started, it is getting generated as well. Okay, so number is not defined. So NUM B. So I just mistake a B. Okay, fine. This will be done now. Okay. Okay. So all are done, hopefully. So now you see it is giving me the correct thing, PM184. Okay. So all right, everything is fine. Now our job is actually to create a function, and that function will be called here. So maybe I'll be going to create a function called db. Okay, so db.py. So there I'll be going to call this database here. Okay, so let's try to do it now. Okay, so basically what will be going to happen now? So let's see. Okay, so first import pyodbc, import py odbc, right? And then we'll be going to set a few variable. Server equals to localhost because it is running on my local. Okay, then I'll be going to use database. Okay, so database is actually, in my case, database is actually city info. If you see here, city info is my database, city info here. Okay, I'm using Microsoft SQL Server. So basically city underscore info, right? These things are done. Now what we'll be going to do, we'll be going to actually set up something. Okay, so let's see. We'll be going to create a function def gen car info, something like that. Okay, so I'll just write gen car info. So basically what is actually going to happen, so basically it is going to be car number, okay, and like this, and I'll be going to pass that car number, nothing else, right? So basically car number is going to be, okay, so car number value is going to be car number, something like this. And then what will be going to happen, we'll be going to establish the string. So basically try, and there see your connection, okay. And how this is actually going to happen, so basically pi odvc dot connect, right? So basically what exactly going to happen here, so I'm going to write this thing, and we're going to write first thing, what first thing, it will be like driver, right? So basically I'll write something like this, okay. So basically start with driver, okay, then equals to like this. So basically odbc like driver, then 17, right, for CQL server, and then it is ended here. And after that I'll be going to write this, and after double quotes it is going to be like this, okay. So I don't know like what is the problem here. So I finished here, drive drive here, driver, odbc driver, fine. Then okay, let me think, okay. So basically what we'll do here, so f and then this, then probably server equals to server like this, and here basically then same thing, here I'll be going to write database, right, database base equals to like this, and there probably I'll be going to write database and this like this, okay. So this is done, so I think I don't need this thing, everything is fine up to this point. So now I'll be going to trusted connection because it is Windows authentication. So what I'll be going to write, so I'll be going to write trusted like this connection, trusted connection equals to yes, right, then this, and at the end like this. So I believe everything is fine now, and I don't need this one. So this is done here in try block. So after try block it is the connection, and inside the connection I'll be going to create a cursor equals to co dot cursor, okay, like this, right. And then what will happen, we'll be going to write a query, so it will be parameterized query. So how it is going to happen, so basically f equals to select star from the table name is actually cars, okay, where here car number. So basically I'll be going to against this property car column car number, and table name is actually car. So basically car number, just because it's a parameterized query, so it should be something like this. So basically question mark, okay, and this, okay, hopefully this is clear, right? And now what will happen, we'll be going to write cursor dot execute. So basically the query will be there, and this car number will be going to get value from car number. Okay, okay, so this is done, right? So now next thing is actually rows equals to cursor dot fetch all, right? And last thing, if rows are there, means if at all we get anything, so basically you'll be going to write for row in rows print row, right? Else if nothing is found, then what will happen here, else print no car info found for car number okay. So everything is done, right? So basically at the end we have to actually close the exception block, except, right, by odbc dot error as error, right? Then print error. This is done, and probably I need a finally statement as well. Finally, okay, if connection is open, then connection dot close, right? It's a best practice. Okay, everything is done here. Okay, fine. Okay, so what I'll do, let's try to actually execute this thing and see how it is going to happen. So basically I have to actually call this function with car number, right? So basically it is part of db. Okay, so basically from db import gen car info, right? And here what is actually going to happen, gen car info with number. So basically all car information should be coming here, right? For every car we'll be going to get the information, right? So let's see, let's clear this thing and see. Like first it will give the file name, and after that it is going to give me the car information here one by one, right? So that is what. So basically it's a very interesting thing. You just going to, you can create a Streamlit application there also. You can upload the photo, and this will first fetch the number car information, and after that it is going to actually query from the internal database. So every police department or home security or any security department generally maintain this information for the internal surveillance. Like whenever you buy a car, government will have all the details, like who purchased the car, which state, how much kilometer, like from where to where, some roughly some estimates are there, right? Okay, so let's see, let's execute. Okay, so execution has been started. I'm excited to see the result. Okay, so let's see. Okay, okay, so see, first number is UC forever John Smith 321321 X Road, India, right? So basically this is for this file 1040 to 50, Okay, so let's see, we'll do at the end. Okay, so for every car it is actually generating this information, right? So cool, this is very cool. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Cool. So every informations are coming. So what I'll do after that, I'll just change something in the database and see whether that car information is able to come or not, and that time we'll try to actually exception handling is already there, so I want to actually do an exception handling as well. So right now all positive results are going to come because whatever car is there, I actually created the same thing on the database and some extra additional thing. Okay, so let's see. So I think last one should be pending, some MC320 or something. Yes. So now all positive answers are coming. Now what I'll do, I'll just go here and I'll change something. So basically here, so basically let's see, mm, let's make it 44. Okay, okay, so let's see. Okay. So let's see, this should be able to generate that as well. Okay, the first car. Okay, okay, okay. So no car info found for car number USC forever, right? Cool. So basically my log should be written should be properly for car number like this. Okay, cool. Okay, all right. So that is what I was actually trying to achieve, and I hopefully I am able to make a point here. Like this tools and technologies, like artificial intelligence is a technology which was used by OpenAI company, and they come up with OpenAI like API and ChatGPT. So now I'm using the power of OpenAI and LangChain together to actually create this sort of solution, right? So again, I'm creating some solution for like society, for the mankind, or anything you can call it, right? So if you have any aspiration to actually develop your skill towards artificial intelligence, or if you want to become a better developer in the future with the help of these tools, or maybe you want to kickstart your career in the domain of artificial intelligence, then probably my playlist can help you actually, because I have uploaded, this is a 49 tutorial. So for last couple of months I'm actually uploading videos regularly, and always I'm coming up with some real world use cases, right? So this use case actually was introduced by one of my student. Actually, he requested me for this sort of tutorial, but I was not getting time for this thing, so I thought of doing this thing today. And basically the first part of this tutorial is kind of I covered in the last tutorial, and this is the continuation of that. Okay, so with that aspect, I'll be going to conclude the video over here, and I hope you guys are following my channel. And if somebody is actually watching my video for the first time, it's a humble request, guys, please try to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also try to share our videos with your family and friend. This will actually help me to reach to the larger audience base, and also this will help me to get discovered by Google for larger audience, right? Because I want to actually get promoted by the YouTube algorithm, and for that I need your support. More like hits, views and engagement will actually push YouTube to video to the larger audience, and your one like subscription and your one like and one share is actually going to motivate me big time. So it's a humble request, whenever you watch my video, if you think it's making any difference on your life on a positive note, please try to share and like or subscribe to my channel as well. And last but not least, if you think these videos are helping you in your study or project or anything, just let us know. Have some positive feedback, good or bad, doesn't matter, it should be honest. And if you think something could be done in a better way, or if you think something is missing in this video, please let us know. I'll try to improve our quality as well. And also, if you have any use case on your mind, if you want me to actually cover this in my playlist, please let us know. I'll definitely try to cover this in our upcoming videos. Okay, with that aspect, I am going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning.